Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first method, check sound setting. So this is sound icon, just right click to sound setting, then for temp select 100%. Okay, and mic also click to 100%. This is input and that is output. So scroll down, then click to all sound detail, microphone, first click to speaker. Okay, then click to test. Okay, and then click to back, then click to microphone. Okay, so make 100% and select 2 channel 64. This is high. And get start test. Okay, and then close it. Then guys, next update or reinstall audio driver. So right click to go to device manager, then extract audio, and this is one by one. First microphone for mic, update automatically, and then close, then select the speakers at update device, update automatically for device, then close, then extract sound, this one. So right click to update driver and search automatic, and then close. Next guys, check privacy and setting for microphone. So click to start, go to setting, then slow down and click to privacy setting, then find out microphone, and if this is off, so guys select off, on. Okay, for the camera, and give to access all for the mic. Okay, and then close it. Then guys, create input device, set input device. So click to start and type control panel, select by view by category, then click to sound. So this is your speaker. So if you have a 2 to 3 speaker, so what you want to use, so you can select this and click to set default. Okay, and this is for recording means your mouse. Okay, so you can check here. Use 100%. Okay, it is the same thing, and then close. Next, so this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.